Hey folks, this is Don with Omec Reflections. We are still in getting ready to finish up for the day. We have rough cut with 36 grit sandpaper, and this is the sawdust off of it. What we're looking at, that's a 44-gallon trash can with a 55-gallon bag in it. It has nothing in it but sawdust. It is all sawdust, folks. And that's the first cutting. First cut with 36. I'm going to go over it with 60 and more. So we'll have probably 2 or 3 more of those. 43 square feet, 743 square feet. That much sawdust come off of that floor. First cutting. So if you had your floors done before and you see deep scratches, very deep scratches that are not coming out, it's not because we're not running over them and scratching. Those pads over there is 36 grit, and I use 5 of them, and that's the sawdust we got off of it. So that's probably 10-15 pounds of sawdust off of 743 square feet. We'll cut it another time with 36 with the drum sander, and then we'll go with flat sanding and smooth it all out, 100, 120, or 150, and then stain it. So that's a lot of sawdust. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow.